The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. No, me have a voice. Give me 1 minute now. The man come. He said to the man, say, the young lady can buy something across the road. Me not have to put the long river truck. Now give me 2 minutes. And that do not create me and him over, brother. And that's about no disappointing in me. Eh? Come to the man. Come to the man. We create a mountain out of this thing there. Sergeant have to find gun for me. Say, don't kill me. How do the man? How do the man? How do the man? The license, man. You can't accept the shots of police. You want to know some speed. Don't touch it. How do you mean? You not create a mountain out of this step of the vehicle. How do you, man? Step of the vehicle. Why? We need to talk. You don't have to step out for you to talk to me. The police need to talk. You didn't even have to step out for you to talk to me. Sergeant, that's me and tell you. You don't have to step out of the vehicle for you to talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Step on the vehicle.
Well, my beautiful people, Dancehall skilla there again, you see it? Yeah, big up and respect. Manners, you see it? Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a confrontation between members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and a truck driver who allegedly is said to be a police officer within the country of Jamaica. You see it? The incident happened within the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the incident happened. And for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to put together and present to you audios that are circulating on social media. And allegedly, these audios are said to be from the truck driver who allegedly is said to be a police officer within the country of Jamaica. Now, please bear in mind that the information that I gave you about the video and the audios that I'm about to present to you are according to some things that have been said on social media. So therefore, these informations might not be accurate or might not be the truth, but I'm just telling you like it is. Alright? Alright. Now, here are the audios. Take a listen and observe.
Boy, Equalites, me I tell you no. Police them booked me up at Santa Cruz yesterday. Me just catch the truckers and company. Send go get little food, brother. 2 dozen police corral me. Corral me, you know, brother. Me fi come out of the truck. Me say, why? Them need to talk to me. Me say, brother, me not fi come out of my truck for no talk to me. At 2 times, the sergeant point M16 in my face. He will shoot me. Me say, sergeant, where you gonna shoot me for? When everything subsided and we end up at the station, me say, sergeant, where did you gonna shoot me for? Police call him, say they want assistance. Me say, yes, what they want assistance for? Police say, man, I resist and need to be taken to the station. Me say, for what? What me I resist? Him, the police, them never tell him. Me say, you are the sergeant and the most senior man on the scene. When you come, you did ask them? No. The situation did I get out of hand, so I did have to deal with it. What kind of situation I get out of hand? Me nah come out of the truck. So me say, what me I come out of the truck for? What me I come out of the truck for? No say me commit a violation. Do I need to come out of the truck, brethren, for what? Brethren, 2 dozen police corral me yesterday. At the end of it all, everybody I go say, why me never tell them say a police? Why me need to tell them say me a police? Me not do nothing wrong. Me don't want no preferential treatment. Me don't need to tell them say me a police. You should not see them run up and down like them a madams, all because of what? Me need to come out of my truck. Why? Why? As Lindsay say, police don't like answer question. Anytime we are police and we buck up on citizens, we ask you one simple question sometime. Why? Why do I need to do what you just said? Them no want answer it. Force, brother. Trust me. You hear how long me a talk and I borrow me a borrow Lindsay saying, say, yo, me a police again? You rather worse now than. Worse. And me a tell you no. Me a tell you no, period. Bitter. Me hungry. Me hungry when me see how police deal with me yesterday. Me a say, yo, I saw no deal with people on the road. You can imagine? I saw no deal with people on the road. Taz, trust me. Trust me, Taz. Trust me. Yo, me all yesterday me I wonder myself than what me do. Me keep asking the police them say, yo, what me do? You think I want police? 3 police end up in my truck yesterday. 3 police more. You watch the video again when the police take my wallet and fling you out the door. After me take out, cause in the end, you know, then you say me a police. So then rush come in there. Yo, where gun there? Cause one female come there and say, yo, my police, you know. I mean, no say, and he's supposed to have him firearm, but he now go dry. Yo, where gun there? Me say, yo, Mr. License firearm holder. Me have my license. Me have my license firearm. At that time, the 3 of them rush up in my truck cab. Run your shop in the truck cab, brother. And hold gun for me. And I say, yo, no, go allow me to take out my license, my ID and show you. Or not go shoot me. Because then, me tell you something, under siege that time, you know, Taz, you would have must say there's something when me not tell you. Believe me, Taz. Believe you, me park the truck and send somebody go get food, brother. And the police them corral me. A food, me send go get Taz. Yo, Taz, I know me I wonder what me do yesterday. Oh no, me I ask and can't find out. A 3 police end up in my truck yesterday, Dan. 3! When you watch the video again, when they take my wallet and fling out the door and I say, yo, taking driver's license out of that, can I forget the ticket today? One little corporal down there named Diamond, in bad mind, and I want to see him. Me, I go back to Santa Cruz and I go tell him, say, you bad mind. You're dirty and bad mind. Nothing but the dog take me, on the sorry my language, take me documents them, Taz. And she said the name for the documents them, are for me. And she said it's for me. And on the drive, I drive one trailer for nobody done. Quick for write me ticket and I come talk about, me no deserve it in the work. Me say a bad mind you have. A bad mind you have. Me say 18 years plus me a service and I saw police a treat me a road. Me should have said me a police. Me say me no need to tell no now that done because me not look no preferential treatment for you. You come and I say, me park in the road and me tell you why me stop here so I'm not in the road. Me park in a manner likely to obstruct. Me say the engine run, somebody is sitting at the control, the vehicle is not parked. How you going to tell? You see if I tell them that? You see if I tell them that say the engine run and somebody sit at the control, like everybody turn idiot. That you must say, where this man that know this from? Anytime police here say somebody know what them for, and them is something you meet up a road from police. Anytime at all. That's you that must ask. Me no do nothing, brother. Me say me no do nothing. Me no do nothing. Me want to listen what the people over KFC say. Because I say, if I want to come on there, police them want me come out of my truck for what? For one talk to me, for what? Because me tell them, say, yo, me now move my truck so till the person come back because it's a long 60-foot truck me I drive and anywhere me can catch it and park it. And me find a little spot for catch and park it for 5 minutes till the person buy the food at KFC. Then come say me if move the truck. Me say, me nah move it so till the person come back. Because me move me if I go half mile away if I go find a comfortable park. And me nah park so far to make the person walk come. And that 20-odd police corral me for yesterday want to haul me out of my truck. And me say, me nah come out of my truck. Why do I need to come out of my truck? Who want to talk to you? I say, me not have to come out of my truck for you to talk to me. Sergeant run. And when how they get access to my truck, you know? And when the person come back from KFC and me pull me passenger side of the door, I so come there running in my truck and corral me, you know? Come and lock out the whole of them when they did the minutes before when I enter my truck and me lock them out, you know? And they put my phone and pay them no mind. And when the person come back and me pull the passenger side, the whole of them run come up in my truck, come corral me. Draw a gun and point in my face.
My people, according to some things that the person said in those pieces of audios that I presented to you, I got the understanding that he said that he is a police officer. See? The reason why I said allegedly the person is a police is because I got the information about the video and the audios from social media. See? And sometimes informations on social media are not accurate. Sometimes informations on social media are not even the truth. So, to make sure that I bring the informations to you as accurate as possible, I said allegedly the person is a police, or allegedly the person is said to be a police. You see it? You see it? Now, if that person actually is a police officer within the country of Jamaica within recent times, like now, and he said those things about the police within the country of Jamaica, then what should I think? Anyways, I will not judge all the police officers within the country of Jamaica based on what one or some police officers within the country of Jamaica had done. Because you have good police and you have bad police. See? And I've said these things in a previous video that I have posted. You understand? According to some things that I saw and heard in the video, and according to some things that I heard in the audios, I think that the situation could have been dealt with better. See? In my point of view, it seems as if the truck driver and those police officers were determined towards the whole situation or what was going on. See? The truck driver seems as if he did not want to get out of the truck. And those police officers want him to step out of the truck. You see? In my point of view, it seems as if the police officers might have been suspicious of something. Might be. You see me, because sometimes, police work off of suspicions, police will tell a motorist to step out of the vehicle because they feel like the motorist is hiding something and all these things. So all them things they may look upon. But, overall, in my point of view, I think that the situation could have been dealt with better, and I wonder if everything is okay for the truck driver, I wonder if everything turned out okay for him, you see me? Yeah, I didn't get much information about what happened after the whole incident. Tell me what you think about the incident or the whole situation. Tell me what you think about the video and the audios. See me? Tell me if you think the person is a police or if you think the person is not a police or what. Tell me what you think. You see? You see it? Well, I hear some of it, Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.